Hey guys, Svenmeister here, rolling with the Shasta. Today I'm at Mooneyes. I haven't been here in like 15 years. Somehow I squeezed the goddamn Shasta in there. It's like the shop back there. This is where I'm gonna go get that doormat that I freaking lost on the campground. So there go all kinds of cool stuff in here. You almost have to come by yourself, buy some things here. That was a long story. The gold tooth. They've got all the cool metal flake steering wheels that I used to put in the cars. Oh, here's my doormat. Pinstriping brushes. Flake. All kinds of shirts. Here we go. It's my new doormat again. Hubcaps. All hot rod goodies. Hey, is it any possible I could go in the shop and take a couple pictures?
Yeah, go check it out. I'm building a new car.
Oh, those guys are so nice here. So this one's gonna go to Bonneville this year. That's the old one.
We might run them both. We're not sure yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean, it's still a complete car, so.
Salt fever, man. And that's all their fabrication, all the fabrication stuff back here.